Ka Deputy Commissioner Jong East Khasil District ka kong ai sawanda lalu menta kasi ka laipo tarik nalur ka laliban play pai ba yak project batma Jong Bosco Integrated Development Society yak balatip kum ka Child Friendly Shillong hanong thamai parish hall Shillong. Nakaliang Jong ka DC ka kong ai sawanda lalu ka loong bakidon hangni nakabenta ki khna bat nakabenta ka lawai jong ki khna bat ka jing play pai ba yak ni ka Child Friendly Shillong kalong ka ka baki snguyo menstiam bat ka ai ka jing khuble yak Bosco Integrated Development Society.
A child-friendly city, in my understanding, a child-friendly city is one which, yes, not only protects children from crime and abuse and exploitation, and I'm so happy to see and to know that there are so many organizations, both government and private, in our state and in our district in particular, who are working day in and day out without rest to protect our children from abuse, from violence, to help street children, to ensure their safety, to ensure they get food, to ensure they get a proper education, that children who are under some kind of influence or who have fallen prey to various social evils are rehabilitated, are taken care of. This is so very important. But at the same time, a child-friendly city, a child-friendly environment also means a place or a city which ensures the rights of children in all aspects, that they can move about freely, that their health is ensured, that the footpaths they walk in are properly constructed, that in the surroundings of schools and Anganwadi centers, we have no negative influences. Under the Khynnah Act, we have seen that the selling of tobacco products is barred within 100 meters from educational institutions. And so this is another aspect of a child-friendly space, places in which children are living in an environment that is safe, that is clean, that is healthy, and that is conducive to their long-term growth and development. Very nice.
Habai keren bat ka kong iba senrem ka badai ka project coordinator jong ka Child Friendly Shillong project kalai thu ba ka dai ka project jing khna daki khna nakabanta ki khna bat kamdi shu ka project ka baki ai jing chakri khna dai ka nek project ki khna kinla ban pengu thu ya ka hok ka jong ki bat hadian kata kin sayele ban pentep ski bor ban lai nak jing sha thambor bat sa ban ben
ngala don hakini ki projects ki badai ki khna do ka snem 8000 iwei di klalong kumba khat khandai snami ngala tre ha ka bede bikini ki khna ha ka capacity ka ha ka ni organization ha Bosco Integrated Development Society te ha ka ni ka snem ni las kokman chibun mingi la ban launch ka ni ka project ka Child Friendly project ha ka jing sha ka ni ka Child Friendly project ka de project ka bang ila ban ong ka project ka badaki khna na ka banta ki khna kam de shu kum ki be ki project ki bangi ni ai service ki khna rimenta ngi kwa baling ba ka ni ka project ngin hikai ki khna ngin ai awareness ngin ai ka jing tip yaki kumno bikin song tho e ka hok ka jong ki anda ha bakila song tho pat ye ka hok ka jong ki hadien kata bade kinsa ye le ban pentip pat ba alani ban pentip shiki bor ki badai na ka banta kumno bakin yo mat ye ka jing suk le se ka jing kimen ban lat nya ka jing sha thombor ban lat nya ka jing sha ban ben le singi la ban ong ru bang kila ban yu i ka jing duna hangni hangtai ha kishnong ki thau ki bakishong kala ban long ko ka jing duna jong ko kala ban long ka jing duna ha ka lingti ka singkieng kala ban long ka jing duna ha ka rupam sam ki mar bam na ka liang jong ka sarkar lani kala ban long ru ha ka be dei bat ki jing sha ban ben ki bakisha ala ki jong ki yeng ki sem kala ban don ka jing bambit bambiang ha ki school ki baki puli le se ki don na pring jong ki ba kum ngi ong mene kim yo wat tang ye ka jakai le ka skul namar bakimda ni ki madan banyali akai te deha kani kurupam kabangi ngi donjing thmu baling ba kani ka project ngin ai supaya ka awareness ki khynnah bakin sngthu ki ai kita ki hok chongki anda ba kila sngthu ki hok chongki de hadian kata bade bakin sasdang bade ban wan chakmat le si ban address ye kini ki issues ki baki ki akan do hak jing im kejong ki ba mala kasni kila banyat ningpong e le si na ka level jong dor bar shnong hak bakin e le kin pensngo wi te ki jing bambit ki jing bambyang jong ki haki nong mi khmat hak dor bar shnong haki rang ba shnong le ni haki committee haki shnong ki ba pher nang ta le si ngila ban le wat churu shaka sarkar le ni kila ban le ru shi nong mi khmat jong ki constituencies ki ba pher hak bakin pentip ki ek ta ki jing duna po shnong po thau te hak be di pat bak jing sha ban ben ki jing sha thombor jong ki khana le si kani kan long kata ka kalenti ka ba ban la banyalam yaki ban bridge kata ka gap ka badon bakin sung thu shanu kin le la dadon kum kita ka jing sha thombor bakini ki khana ki badon haki children's club le singi la ban ong kinyele ru na ka banta ban wa jing tip ru po shnong po thau le si la ban don na preng ki khana ki ba po shnong po thau jong ki don khapeng ka jing sha thombor ka jing sha ban ben ka jing sha yorot ya ka hok ka jong ki te de ha kata ka rupam le si ba kini ki grievances le si ki jing bamyo jong ki ka hok haki benta ki ba pher anwan ra khamat jong kini ki children's club haka ba kini ki children's club bade kinyele bade ban penpui shiki board ki bade ban pen skol tho lani ban yathu shiki le si kumno la ban intervene haki ta ki benta ki ba pher haka ba ki khna ki sha ru ro no ka hok jong ki ta ka daw ni ong ba ka di ban ka ta collective effort ka ba nakaliang baro khaj haka bangin yele ban yarap kini ki khna ki badan hapin ki jing e kam dei tamangi ki child friendly shillong dari kadai ke jinge trailang bat kiwi pat ki NGOs ke jinge trailang ru bat ki departments ki ba pher jong ko sarkar imju focus ki parents bon sin imju focus ki parents let's see la dingiya ling ba ki managing committees jong ki school nda habal awan wan biang ka jinglong normal bangin khot ki kimi ki pa bangin kren te let's see bangan ong ba ka government ka fail ngam la ban ong ye kata ngam agree ru bat kata namar bangi i ki jing treshitom jong ki let's see in ong kom hangni po is khasi hills mangi i ki district child protection unit ki treshitom haru kata ki child welfare committee ki treshitom haru kata ndai ka don kam pada yengi bangin khamrung jeliu bangin nyok na do latan rai it's not the children alone ki khana ngi awareness ki kran ki sngap ki wan ki awareness program kami ka kut nok kum to dengim yo ye ki brio ki badai ki ban lesi ki ban yarap ki khana bakin kin he kin san hakru kom ka badai